Hello, everyone, and welcome to Learn with Amna.
Hi, friends. My name is Daniel, and thank you for being here today.
My name is Emma, and we are very happy you are learning English with us.
Today's lesson is calm, slow, and easy for beginners.
Today, we will learn how to talk about your goals in English.
This is a motivation English conversation for A1 and A2 learners.
You can listen, pause, and repeat the words with us.
Please relax and enjoy learning English.
Remember, learning English is a journey, and you are not alone. Daniel, let me ask you a simple question.
Yes, Emma, please ask me.
What is a goal in easy English?
A goal is something you want in your life.
Yes, a goal is something you want to do or have.
A goal is about the future, not about today.
M. For example, my goal is to learn English well.
That is a strong and useful goal.
Many people watching this video have the same goal.
Emma, can goals be small or big?
Yes, Daniel. Goals can be small or big.
A small goal can be studying English for 10 minutes.
A big goal can be speaking English confidently.
Both small goals and big goals are important.
Daniel, what is your personal goal?
My goal is to stay healthy and feel good every day.
Staying healthy is very important.
Yes, Emma, health helps us reach other goals.
My personal goal is to speak English clearly.
Clearly means people can understand you.
Yes, Daniel, clearly means easy to understand.
Speaking clearly is a great goal.
Thank you, Daniel. Now let's learn important words for talking about goals.
The first word is goal.
Goal means something you want.
Please repeat the word goal.
The next word is improve.
Improve means get better.
For example, I want to improve my English.
The next word is plan.
Plan means how you do your goal step by step.
For example, my plan is to study English every day.
The next word is try.
Try means do your best, even if it is difficult.
Trying is very important when learning English. Now let's practice sentences slowly together.
Please repeat after us and speak slowly.
My goal is to learn English.
My goal is to learn English.
I want to improve my English speaking.
I want to improve my English speaking.
My plan is to practice every day.
My plan is to practice every day.
I try to speak English every day.
I try to speak English every day.
Very good. Let's repeat again slowly.
Now let's listen to a longer story.
This story is about our friend Sarah.
Sarah lives in a small city.
Sarah wants to learn English.
Her goal is to speak English at work.
At first, Sarah feels nervous and shy.
She thinks her English is not good enough.
But Sarah does not give up.
Sarah makes a simple plan.
She listens to English podcasts in the morning.
She watches English videos in the evening.
She speaks English to herself at home.
Little by little, Sarah feels more confident.
After some months, Sarah speaks English at work.
Now, Sarah feels proud of herself.
Sarah reaches her goal step by step. Now it is your turn to practice.
Please listen and answer slowly.
What is your goal in English?
You can say, my goal is to learn English.
What do you want to improve?
You can say, I want to improve my speaking.
What is your plan?
You can say, my plan is to practice every day.
Take a moment and think about your answers.
Learning English can feel hard sometimes.
Feeling tired or confused is normal.
You do not need to be perfect.
You only need to keep trying.
Small steps are better than no steps.
Even 5 minutes of English is good.
Believe in yourself.
Your goal is possible.
We believe in you.
Now let's review everything slowly.
Goal means something you want.
Improve means get better.
Plan means how you do your goal.
Try means do your best.
Important sentence is my goal is to.
Important sentence is I want to improve.
Important sentence is my plan is to.
You learned many useful words today.
Thank you for learning with Learn with Amna today.
We are proud of you for studying English.
If you like this English podcast, please like the video.
Please subscribe to Learn with Amna for more lessons.
Now it is time for the question of the day.
What is your English goal this year?
Write your answer in the comments below.
We read your comments and they help other learners.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye bye and keep practicing English.